Hello everyone! I tried to remove stains and black watermarks by using Fairy and other usual cleaning solutions, but nothing helped. So I will try to use something different. I'm going to demonstrate cleaning with vinegar, white spirit and rust remover. My target is to find out the best solution for cleaning which is not damaging the surface of a kitchen worktop. So I'll start first bit with vinegar, and let's see what will happen. Let's leave for a couple of minutes, and other part I'll start with white spirit. So I'll try last solution, rust remover. Let's leave for a couple of minutes and see what will happen. You can see like how the mark disappears little by little. So it looks like the mark nearly disappeared from rust remover and haven't damaged the surface the way vinegar done. So, and in the middle, white spirit. Well, probably it's the option as well, but I see that the rust remover does the better job. So now what I'll do, I'll use rust remover for the rest of the bit. Bye.